The advent of artificial intelligence has been one of the most transformative developments in modern times. It has revolutionized the way we live, work, and communicate, and it is only getting more powerful with each passing day. In this video, we will explore the history of AI, its current state, and the potential future implications of this rapidly developing technology. The idea of creating machines that could think like humans can be traced back to ancient times. The Greek philosopher Aristotle was among the first to speculate about the possibility of creating an artificial intelligence. However, it was not until the mid-20th century that the modern era of AI began. In the early days of AI, researchers focused on developing rule-based systems that could perform simple tasks such as playing chess or solving mathematical problems. However, as computers became more powerful and sophisticated, researchers began to explore the possibility of creating AI systems that could learn from experience. One of the most significant breakthroughs in the history of AI came in the 1980s with the development of neural networks. Neural networks are computer systems that are modeled on the structure of the human brain. They can learn from experience and can recognize patterns in data. Since then, AI has continued to evolve rapidly, with new breakthroughs and applications emerging every year. Today, AI is more powerful and ubiquitous than ever before. We are surrounded by AI systems in our daily lives, whether we realize it or not. Some of the most common examples of AI in action include virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, which use natural language processing to understand and respond to our commands. Recommendation engines used by companies like Amazon and Netflix, which use AI to analyze our browsing and viewing history and suggest products or content that we might be interested in. Self-driving cars, which use a combination of sensors, machine learning, and computer vision to navigate the road and avoid obstacles, and of course, the rise of ChatGPT and other AI chatbots. However, AI is not without its challenges and limitations. One of the biggest challenges facing the AI field today is the issue of bias. Because AI systems are trained on large amounts of data, they can sometimes perpetuate biases that are present in the data. Look at ChatGPT, in which you can literally gaslight it to the point where it believes 2 + 2 = 5. Another challenge facing the AI field is the issue of explainability. As AI systems become more complex, it can be difficult for humans to understand how they arrived at a particular decision. This lack of transparency can be a problem in applications like healthcare or finance, where decisions made by AI systems can have serious consequences. As AI continues to evolve, it is likely that we will see even more transformative applications in the future. Some of the potential implications of AI include healthcare, education, transportation, and entertainment. For healthcare, AI could revolutionize this industry by helping doctors to diagnose diseases more accurately and quickly. AI could also be used to develop personalized treatment plans for patients based on their genetic information. Within education, AI could be used to create personalized learning experiences for students, adapting the pace and content of lessons to each student's individual needs and abilities. For transportation, self-driving cars could make our roads safer and more efficient by reducing the number of accidents caused by human error. Self-driving trucks could also revolutionize the shipping industry by making deliveries faster and more efficient. Finally, for entertainment, AI could be used to create more immersive and personalized entertainment experiences, such as virtual reality games that adapt to each player's preferences and behaviors. However, with all of this said, there are also potential risks associated with the continued development of AI. One of the biggest concerns is the potential impact on employment. As AI systems become more advanced, they will replace human workers in many industries, leading to job loss and economic disruption. Another concern is the potential for AI systems to be used for malicious purposes. For example, AI-powered cyber attacks could be more sophisticated and harder to detect than traditional cyber attacks. To mitigate these risks and ensure that AI is developed in a responsible and ethical way, many researchers and policymakers are calling for increased regulation and oversight of the AI field. Another potential consequence associated with the evolution of AI is the possible ethical and societal implications this technology brings. For example, some researchers have raised concerns about the potential for AI to perpetuate existing social and economic inequalities. If AI systems are trained on biased data, they may replicate and even amplify these biases in their decision making. This can lead to AI holding radical beliefs and thoughts, or having inhumanly knowledge on the current and future economic climate and state of society. To address these concerns, many researchers and policymakers are advocating for greater transparency and accountability in the development and use of AI. This includes developing ethical guidelines for AI research and ensuring that AI systems are designed to be fair, unbiased, and transparent. It also includes educating the public about the potential benefits and risks of AI and engaging in a public dialogue about how best to harness this technology for the benefit of all. The advent of AI has already had a profound impact on our world, and its potential implications for the future are both exciting and daunting. As we continue to explore the possibilities of this transformative technology, it is important that we do so in a responsible and ethical way, with a focus on maximizing the benefits while minimizing the risks. For reference, this entire script for this video was written by ChatGPT, with only marginal editing done by me. AI has the potential to streamline and make current jobs more efficient. However, if it goes too far, it could bring the downfall of our society.